Amazon Kitchen Favorites. Save time with this automatic stir. It has 3 hands-free speeds and is the perfect helping hand for multitasking in the kitchen. Plus, the stir detaches and is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. These silicone food huggers prevent food waste, save money, and eliminate single-use plastics like saran wrap. They stretch for the perfect airtight seal. This 2-in-1 oil dispenser is perfect for cooking, barbecuing, and salads. It allows you to switch between spraying or pouring. Making it all for you now. Have a great day.
3 Amazon must-haves we have around our home. First, I have this 3-in-1 charging pad that's on our nightstands. It charges our phone, our smartwatch, and our AirPods, and it's great for our nightstands. Next, I have Apple AirTags. I add these to the kids' backpacks, and I also add them to my purse. Then I have these LED spotlights that are battery operated. These go great in my plants around the home and give it a nice warm touch.
Revive your wardrobe, furniture, and other fabrics with this lint remover. Say goodbye to fuzz and hello to a cleaner, sharper look. Yay for lint-free living.
This is one of those things I didn't even know existed. So if you're a parent or if you're having guests over, this is for you. This is my self-inflating bed. It's like a blow-up mattress, but it's really on a bed frame, and it's got storage at the bottom so you can put bags or your suitcase. It's also great if you've got overnight guests or just your kiddos that love to sleep on the bed. You can even adjust the firmness, and then when you're done, you click a button and it deflates itself. Not to mention it comes with its own case.
Sticking with simplicity and style, these self-adhesive hooks are the heroes of organization, making clutter disappear with a touch of convenience. Genius for never losing the remote again and hanging holiday decor. Available in a pack of 30. Unfolding functionality with this paper table stool. I just think it's so pretty and so neat. It's sturdy, holds up to 300 pounds, and the perfect blend of innovation and practicality.